Hey guys, remember last video when I was giving you that list of hot button safety items to watch out for in the shop? Well, let's finish it this week. Next. Okay, here we go. We've got 5 more hot button safety items for you. Number 6, bench grinders need to have the tongue guard and tool rest set at the proper distance from the grinding wheel at all times. An eye guard should also be in place. Number 7, if servicing single and multi-piece truck wheels, cages and approved safety equipment must be used. Training must also be provided. Number 8, fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers must be in place and in compliance with the standards set by the National Fire Protection Association. They should be inspected regularly and all employees must be trained in how to properly use them. Contact your local fire department for more information. Number 9, document all of your equipment repairs so that you know what was serviced and when it needs a tune-up. Finally, number 10, create a store inspection checklist. You can divide it into 4 basic areas: the service area, the stock area, the waiting room, and the outside area. For each area, there should be a list of required safety equipment and detailed checkpoints should be established. Thanks for going through this checklist with me. Now be sure to go through it at your shop. I'm Maddie Weiner, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studios at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.